Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the Beko coffee maker. It's so simple and straight. We just go to the unboxing. So it comes with the catalog. This is the catalog. All you need to know is here, everything. So just keep it aside. When you're at home by yourself, you need to just turn it like that. You just open like this, showing you the correct way of unboxing. As you can see here, so it's telling you it's coming with a cup warmer, and here the integrated control with the light, and also here just a detachable water tank. It's 1.2 liters. These are some of the accessories which is coming. Power cable. This is very important gadget, and I'll show you how to use it. It's like a sieve or coffee grinder. We have this one also. So it comes with two. Depending on the sizes of coffee that you want to keep, you can just always change this one. Depending on the type of coffees that you want to keep. I'll show you how to install it. That's it. Very new. Just show you how to install here. This is the switch. I'll show you also how to use this one. It's adjustable. So just to pull it up to remove the jug. So 1.2 liters, I'll be keeping the water here. Just remember to remove all this plastic. Simple. So I'll just put water inside. Meanwhile, this is to measure the coffee that you want to put inside. So I'll just plug it into power and let's check how its functionality. Guys, it's one of the simplest to install, but sometimes these gadgets, they become confusing because so many things are written in the catalog which does not have good sense, but for those people who actually knows about electronics, then it makes sense. So we are just installing it for those people who actually don't know how to install, or maybe they get problem in installing this machine. So let's see where you put power, and I'll put water, how it's gonna function. Okay guys, 1.5 liters water. I'll not put 1.5 liters because I'm not gonna use it all. I'll just put like slightly half. I'll close it. I'm using cappuccino. You can use normal coffee, any coffee that is compatible. It's compatible with most of the coffees, so you can just use any. For me, I decided to use cappuccino. So we have our coffee measuring cup. Just put it all there. Then this is to make it full. Make sure that it's full, and then you just press it inside. So that's how it's going to look. More directly. There is some sign it will show you here. Remember also guys, we have our milk here. You can see. Make sure it goes inside well from left to right. And then you close it. Like that. Put it on power. This is our milk. I'll show you how to do it. Then I'll keep my cup here. I'll put my power on. Then this one, I'll just keep it on the left side. Remember, that's very important. So let's wait and see. Our coffee will be ready very soon. Let's put the timing. This is very simple guys, very easy. So the light is on. Let's wait and see. The light, okay, the lights should be blue. When you fix it properly, it will not show you red here. It will be blue. Now it's ready, it's showing you that it's ready to, you can see. Immediately it starts. Our coffee will be ready, as you can see. Our coffee is ready. As simple as that, guys, you can see. So, to make the foam, you can make the foam from here, and this one you have to put it anti-clockwise. This is just a normal milk. This is adjustable. You can see it goes down and up. So we'll just adjust it. I twist. making the foam, so you can see practically. Guys, you can see the foam. You can close. Always make sure it's in the middle. This is adjustable. Our foam is ready. So you can just add it to your coffee. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe to our channel, and this brand, it's Beko.